Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to share with you how to remove hyperlink in your Microsoft Word document. So let's take a look how to do that. Somehow or some cases you might be want to copy something from web article and then you would like to paste it in your Microsoft Word document. Example, if I copy this article from this Wikipedia and then if I'm going to paste it in Microsoft Word, then you will notice there is a automatic detect some hyperlink. You might be don't want that hyperlink, you might be want to remove that hyperlink. Example, if you would like to remove this hyperlink on this particular place, you can just right click over there and you can click this remove hyperlink. So if you click that remove hyperlink, it will remove. Also there is another way to remove a hyperlink. Like example, if you like to remove hyperlink on this place, just simply you can on your keyboard press Ctrl K and then you will see a new screen will pop up. In here you can click this remove link and then you will see that hyperlink will remove. Also there is another way to remove hyperlink in your whole article. Example, if you like to remove this place all hyperlink at once, one click, so you can do that. Just simply on your keyboard press Ctrl Shift F9 and then you will notice that all hyperlink will remove on this particular selected text. Also if you like to remove all your article, all the hyperlink you want to remove, you can do so. Just simply you can click here on right side corner, select and then click on select all the text and then again click on your keyboard Ctrl Shift F9 and you will notice that all hyperlink will remove that particular text. Also there is another way to remove hyperlink. Example, if you copy something from your web browser, example I'm going to copy this article again and then if you like to paste it, you can paste in. There is another way, only you can paste text only. Like whenever you click this paste option, you will see there is the option keep text only. So if you click that, that will only all the hyperlink will convert it as a text. So this is how you can copy or remove hyperlink in your Microsoft Word document. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.